Thutha wao kuheana mukana wa kwambiriria gwikinyia makanitha-ini kwa wingi guku magikinyiriria murugamo wao wa kuregana na mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu. Mbeũ njithi ni mekinyirie makanitha-ini undu uria utanahuthio ni utongoria wa makanitha kuona ni maheirwo mweke wa kwiyaria. Kanitha-ini wa Holy Family Basilica guku Nairobi matare na guoya mbeũ njithi aya thutha wa kuheo mweke meyarie ni meitororire na kuga thũ yao nene ni mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu uria maugite uthugunditwo uri wa kunyarira a Kenya makiria thengia wa morito maria makoretwo namo.
To overtax Kenyans, but also to promote oppression, which generally leads to a very poor quality of life for most people who are not as endowed as the people who are in power. We also urge you as Christians to take time to go through it in depth, as this is something that affects our nation as a whole.
Maugite mareyaria makanitha-ini kuona kanitha ni kimwe kia itugiiria iruagirira ihoto cia andu na mutaratara uyu wa watho ni ukoretwo kiregano naguo, no thirikari ni yonekanite kuhinga matumayo kuri muingi uria wa macagurire.
A very long time, the church has been a pillar of justice and a voice of reason. This too is a matter that the church should stand firm in. It cannot afford to be impartial.
Kanitha-ini wa Nairobi Chapel utongoria wa kanitha oro undu umwe na arumiriri ni manyitire mbaru mwerekero uria mbeũ njithi aya moete na njira ya kwiyaria mari na umiriru makiuga giki ni kiambiriria kieru.
For your fearless stand against injustice. Thank you for holding the leaders and the institutions in this country to account. Thank you for your zero tolerance to corruption.
Thutha ucio mbeũ njithi aya ni manyitanĩire na matabania mũrũrũngano wa mahoya ma hamwe kuma GPO barabara-inĩ ya Kenyatta Avenue nginyagia Archives barabara-inĩ ya Moi Avenue guku Nairobi.
Ni kuonyesha tu wa Kristo that God actually has something to say about it, because we realize that kuna wase wengi wenye wameokoka and they don't know what to think in such times.
We take a stand in everything, and we take a stand saying that this finance bill is not right, and it's really not for the benefit of the young people. So we have to literally reject it.
Mbeũ njithi aya maugite onietikia na arumiriria makanitha na matiranyita mbaru mutaratara uyu wa watho makiuga thirikari ni ibatie kumathikiriria guku makioria maabitha borithi gutiga kuhuthira hinya mukiruku mirurungano-ini.
Inafaa wasikize sauti ya wenye waliwachagua, ni sisi tuliwachagua.
Don't break any law, respect the policemen, respect the policewomen, but if you have to picket, do it peacefully within the parameters of the law.
Atongoria a makanitha ni manyitite mbaru ikinya ria mbeũ njithi aya makioria thirikari guthikiriria mateta mao na mateta ma muingi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.